If you're about to buy web hosting in 2026, stop for a second, because picking the wrong plan could cost you money every single month, or worse, leave your website slow and vulnerable. In this video, I'm breaking down all 4 Scala hosting plans side by side, showing you exactly who each one is for, and by the end, you'll know precisely which plan fits your website, your budget, and your goals. Stick around, because one of these plans is a clear winner for most people, and it's probably not the one you'd expect. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. If you decide Scala Hosting is right for you, the best deal available is through the links in the description below. Check them out to lock in the lowest price. Let's start with why Scala Hosting deserves your attention in the first place. This isn't some obscure provider hoping you won't read the reviews. It holds a 4.9 rating on Trustpilot from over 2,000 reviews, a 4.8 on G2, and a 4.9 on Google. Those numbers are remarkable in an industry where most hosts hover far below that. And behind those ratings is real infrastructure. NVMe SSD storage across every plan, processors reaching 4.1 GHz, a 10 gigabit redundant network, and CDN integration for faster load times wherever your visitors are. Every single plan, from the cheapest to the most powerful, includes free SSL certificates, automatic daily backups, unlimited bandwidth, and 24/7 expert support, with an average response time of just 15 seconds. That last one matters more than you think. If your site goes down at 2 a.m., you don't want to wait an hour in a chat queue. You want a real person, fast. Scala Hosting's customer satisfaction sits at 98.9%, and that support quality is a huge part of why. There's one more thing you get regardless of tier, and it removes the biggest headache of switching hosts: free website migration with zero downtime, handled entirely by their technical team. You don't touch a single file. They move everything for you, and your visitors never notice. Combine that with an unconditional money-back guarantee, and trying Scala Hosting is genuinely risk-free. Now let's look at the 4 plans, because this is where your decision gets made. First up is the mini plan at just $2.95 a month. This is the entry point, built for one website with 10 gigabytes of NVMe SSD storage, shared resources, and standard security. If you're launching a portfolio, testing a business idea, or you're a freelancer who needs one clean professional site online, Mini does the job at a price that's hard to argue with. But here's its limitation: one website only. The moment you want a second project, a landing page, or a client site, you've outgrown it. That brings us to the start plan at $5.95 a month, and pay close attention here, because this is the plan I recommend for most people watching this video. For $3 more than Mini, you get 5 times the storage, 50 gigabytes, and the restriction on websites disappears completely. Unlimited websites. That single feature changes everything. Your blog, your store, your side project, a site for a client. All under one plan, one dashboard, one bill. For a growing business or anyone with ambitions beyond a single site, Start is where the value curve peaks. You're paying pocket change and getting room to build an entire online presence. Third is the advanced plan at $9.95 a month. It keeps everything Start offers but doubles your storage to 100 gigabytes. Who needs this? Media-heavy websites, WooCommerce stores with large product catalogs, photographers and creators hosting high-resolution files, or anyone running multiple WordPress installs that eat through space with backups and caching. If you already know your content library is going to be big, Advanced saves you an upgrade down the road. And then there's the top tier, Entry Cloud at $14.95 a month. This one is fundamentally different from the other 3, because instead of sharing server resources with other users, you get dedicated hardware, 2 CPUs and 2 gigabytes of RAM that belong entirely to you. Your site's speed no longer depends on what anyone else's site is doing. On top of that, Entry Cloud unlocks premium features the other plans don't have. Lightspeed and Open Lightspeed caching with Object Cache, delivering up to 3 times faster response times, plus S-Shield, Scala Hosting's AI-based security system that blocks 99.98% of attacks before they ever reach your site. It runs exclusively on Spinel, their modern control panel, and the NVMe storage is adjustable, so it scales as you grow. If your website directly generates revenue, an e-commerce checkout, a lead generation funnel, a booking system, every second of load time and every minute of downtime is money. Entry Cloud is built precisely for that situation. So here's my honest verdict. If you have exactly one simple site and want the absolute lowest price, Mini works. If your site is content-heavy from day one, go advanced. If speed and security are mission critical because your site makes you money, Entry Cloud is worth every penny and still costs less than a couple of coffees a week. But for the majority of you, new businesses, creators, freelancers, and anyone building for growth in 2026, the start plan is the smartest buy. Unlimited websites, generous storage, the same elite support and security foundation, and an upgrade path to Entry Cloud whenever your traffic demands it. You're not overpaying for power you don't need, and you're not boxing yourself into a single site. That balance is exactly what most people should be looking for, and Start nails it. And here's the best part. Right now, ScalaHosting is running a promotion with up to 75% off, meaning you can get started for just $2.95 a month. To make sure you get the best possible deal, use the coupon links in the description of this video. That's where the lowest prices are activated automatically. If this video helped you choose your plan, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest hosting breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.